That's a big hole.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to go in it.
No.
I'm a company driver. It don't matter to me.
Well, same here, but I still wouldn't want to go in it. You think if you go fast enough, you might be able to skip across it?
Maybe.
I got a story about that. This one company I work for, they put rookies together for a little while, and both of them thought if they go fast enough, the aerodynamics will push them down and be able to fit underneath the bridge. Well, that didn't work out. Their dry box was successfully converted into a flatbed. New York City.
Oh my God. They really believe that if you would have gotten up fast enough, they could have made it.
I don't know, for some reason both of them came up with that conclusion. I don't know. Something went wrong, I think.
That's too funny, driver.
Why the hell these people slam on their brakes at 35 miles an hour?
I don't know, I about smacked you in the ass though.
I almost smacked into the ass. The construction worker wasn't paying attention there. I had a friggin' slam on him pretty good. I didn't see that white line, I guess, or something. I don't know. Fuck.
Yeah, I see him walking out there. I'm like, what a fucking idiot.
Yeah, and guess who goes to jail for that one? Because I'm not taking out the innocent four-wheeler just to save his fucking ass.
Simply not to walk out in traffic while you deserve to die.
That's it. Feel sorry for the guy still, but fuck, I have to choose my victims, unfortunately.
Okay, something's going on. Nobody's fucking trying to find me yet tonight.
I don't speak too soon.
Left.
Give them some time, right?
0.8
Oh, there we go. I was wondering when that was going to happen. What's that? Somebody cut me off.
Yeah, nobody has no respect. Most of the big trucks do more than the cars do, I think, anymore. Being out here for 28 years, you get all these fucking other people.
You're right, Larry. Don't speak too fucking soon.
Keep left.
No better by now.
I can't believe she fucking did it. There's only a couple inches between her and me.
Really?
Figure that out. Yeah, if I wouldn't have hit the brakes, she probably would have hit me. Well, if she would have hit me, you know, it would have been her fault. She didn't fucking turn on turn signal. Fucking idiot, turned on left turn signal to make a right-hand turn.
Trying to keep his options open.
God.
Every wire is like that way.
Fucking idiots, man, I'm telling you.
Westbound 290, Evil Knievel just fucking giving her an hammer like, come on. Make that too.
Really, Evil Knievel?
Oh shit. Fuck, man. You guys, I almost took him out there. Fucking look out for him, guys. Fuck. Fuck, my heart just feels like I just fucking swallowed her. I just fucking almost took out a freaking row of bikers that just came out of nowhere.
They're fucking idiots, man. Is that the bike you were talking about?
Maybe there should be a flock of them or something.
Woo! There they go!
Yeah. Past the left, or past the 10 here, you got a bear.
Oh, fucking right. So they're fucking getting pulled over. Actually, no, they won't be able to keep up to them. They're fucking just booking it.
God damn, they cut between me and another car. Take it easy, driver. Drive safe.